Okay, that's a tough act to follow. My name is Andy Horwitz. I'm the third co-chair of Regulate Rhode Island. Very proud to be here, very proud to serve with my fellow co-chairs. I'm a law school professor. I teach at Roger Williams University School of Law. I have been a criminal defense lawyer for over 30 years. And like my friend Mr. Vincent, I see this entirely as a criminal justice issue. I have spent my career watching the damage that the so-called war on drugs has done in our communities, most particularly in our poorer communities and our communities of color. The laws are enforced incredibly discriminatorily. There is a vast difference in treatment that people of color get as compared to folks who are Caucasian. So the question that drives me crazy in this discussion is, what's the rush? We've been hearing what's the rush for 7 years now while we've been talking about and debating this legislation. And we have not yet gotten a single vote. Not a vote in a committee and not a vote on the floor. Now is the time. The premise behind what's the rush is as if we're in a neutral scenario now while we don't have a policy that's causing active damage. That couldn't be farther from the truth. The fact is we have a policy right now that causes active and severe damage every single day. I represent clients who can't get jobs because of prior convictions for marijuana possession. I represent clients who can't find housing because of prior convictions for marijuana possession. And not surprisingly, the vast majority of those clients are people of color and poor people. That's who these laws have been used to target. That's who these laws have been used to victimize. There is a rush. There's a rush to stop that outrageous injustice. So I'm thrilled to see all of you here. I encourage the same thing those who've come before me have encouraged. Call your legislators, call the governor, tell them that there is a reason to rush, tell them that you're outraged and offended, that your voice can't be heard, and that we can't just have a vote on this issue. Thank you very much.